Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable face tracking on Roblox mobile. So first of all you have to tap on three dot. Now you have to go to in setting. Now you have to go to in privacy. Once you're in the privacy, you just need to scroll down and you will see here uh, microphone and camera input. You just need to enable camera to get face tracking, and that will help you to animate your avatar with your movement. You just need to tap on this toggle button to enable it. So keep this toggle button green to enable. So right now it is gray. Now you have to tap on it to make green. Now it asking you to enable the camera. So camera allow Roblox to track your movement and animate your avatar with your movement. Then, so just click on this enable button, and click on enable, and your camera will be enabled. And now it will be used by Roblox to animate your avatar with your movement. So you just need to open any game that supports face tracking. So please donate is one of them, but one of the game. So you just need to uh, tap on this play button to play this game. So once you open the game, guys, you just need to so I have to enable the face cam. To enable it, you have to tap on this video icon on avatar's head, as you can see, and once you click on it, your face cam will be open, and now you can keep this face cam anywhere on screen. So let me zoom in first, and as you can see, as I'm moving my head, it's syncing with the avatars. And also when I'm saying something, so it is also syncing with the avatar's mouth. So it is completely synchronization, or we'll say that face tracking on Roblox. Hope you like it. That's how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.